you have been guiding source and motivation factor for me. You motivated a lot. And in fact, I could get the courage to attempt writing something first time. मैं तो कभी लिखने वाला आदमी था ही नहीं, तो बनाने वाला आदमी, वो बिकॉज ऑफ यू. एंड मैंने अभी पूरा दूसरे पॉडकास्ट में ये भी जिक्र किया कि आपने कैसे मुझे टाइम टू टाइम पूरा फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और मैं भी कितना मतलब बेशरम होता था, किसी समय आपको पकड़ लेता था कि इसको रिव्यू करिए, इस पे डिस्कशन करिए, और कितना हम लोगों ने बहुत डिस्कस किया है 2018 में. मतलब कि 2-3 घंटे डिजाइन पे डिस्कशन होता था. याद है गर्मियों में काफी लंबे डिस्कशंस रात में होते थे. सो फ्रॉम दैट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड यू हैव बीन थ्रू ऑल द टाइम सेशंस में भी हर जगह, so what is your observation अगर पूछा जाए, how do you see the journey?
I have heard you and I have enjoyed the conversations. And while saying that I have enjoyed the conversations, I really mean it. In the sense that there were two, three angles to it. One was pure theory, and we also discussed how theory limits. It creates its own limitations. And then we moved out of the bandhan, as they say, the limitations of theory,
Right.
to go into practice.
Right.
And when we moved into practice, then we
Right.
also realized why we are doing it. So I had some very vested interests on discussing this, because for me, this kind of discussion was invaluable. I never got anybody who could, compliment me, or not compliment in that sense, but who could be with me while we are discussing something which is beyond theory. There are very few
Right.
people who can discuss theory. So going beyond theory was a huge shift for me. So you were designing a product. I was designing the joys of designing. That's it. So it was fairly hands off, but it was very invigorating. So when we would discuss everything in that.
Everything I discuss with you, everything means there's not a single element that I have done on my own alone. Everything, a spark comes and I I pick up my phone and I call you up, and whatever time it is, barring 2 to 5 o'clock, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Otherwise, we have discussed at 1 a.m., 12 a.m., all time. Yeah.
So when we when we would discuss all aspects, not what you want to hear or what I want
Right.
to say.
That is the beauty. Yes, that is the beauty.
So what would happen eventually would be that, we would end up getting new perspectives and not contain ourselves, or rather limit ourselves to things that, we would prefer to do. Maybe the easier path.
Right.
So when it was discussed that should we do deep learning,
Right.
for instance.
Yeah.
So deep learning kya hai? I mean, it's just artificial intelligence. Then you went back, I went back. We studied that deep learning is not artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is one of the output, or rather the simplest output of deep learning.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if we see graduation, post-graduation, even doctorate, even PhD students are doing shallow learning.
Yeah.
And that's what we realized while we were doing it. And
Right.
why? Because there were certain elements in deep learning which we wanted very critically to add on to MWL.
Right.
Like what? How to judge.
Right.
How to be objective.
Right.
How to respond to a situation which is unknown,
Yeah.
how to understand guidelines,
Yeah.
guidelines,
Guidelines. Yeah.
how to interpret guidelines to newer
Yeah.
situations,
Right.
how to understand how to respond to newer situations, because we are training for the future. We are not training for the
Right.
current.
Yeah.
So how can you create a template which will respond to a situation 10 years from now?
Yeah.
It's
That is
unthought
the
of.
biggest challenge. Yeah. That is the biggest. Yeah.
So what we were thinking and how we were thinking was that we
Hmm.
were preparing ourselves to
Hmm.
enable our participants
Hmm.
to know how to respond to a problem which will happen 10 years later, which is a unique problem, unheard of,
Hmm.
and how to solve it, keeping
Right.
in mind the basics of problem solving.
Right. Yeah.
So the most important thing was how to ensure that the basics of problem solving remained as
Hmm.
principles,
Right.
and then they got implemented in situations and assignments,
Right.
and then go forward.
Hmm.
So that was the challenge of deep learning, which in a sense was learning beyond formal doctorate assignments,
Right.
because even
Absolutely.
doctorate assignments were going in, as we had discussed at one point, they were going in for what is predictable given a circumstance with data
Right.
points. So that
Right.
means you're actually recommending something which is already existing.
Yes. Yes.
So but we are recommending something that can be solved, which the problem hasn't arisen yet.
Yeah.
These participants haven't grown to see problems also,
Yes.
and
Yes.
here we are asking them to solve problems uh, which are unheard of at this point in time.
Yeah. Yeah. And after deep learning, you have been also when used to discuss edutainment bit because
Yes.
we were designing for youngsters,
Hmm.
and we deliberately we took a conscious decision that we will keep it light. So our objective was learning, not how much have they learned. That is also essential, but we went beyond testing and examining the participant on a particular date after 6 months or after a year. So instead of picking up yearly or half yearly examination, we decided we'll go for a continuous route of evaluation. And that's the reason we integrated assignment after each session. And in the subsequent session, the assignment output or assignment's observation is shared with the participant by the trainer. This is the one.
Correct. Correct.
Plus, edutainment में one thing which I, in my previous podcast with Sanjay and Rajesh, I deliberately, since we spent so much time on other things, we didn't get time to reflect on Moshi, the virtual character. How do you see this experiment? Because so far, these character bit is always treated as entertainment route. Now, no character is associated with the education so far. I have never seen, I don't know. So this character development, which took so many years, and now we are integrating Moshi into this education, which is a serious thing. And we are calling it Moshi Wisdom Learning. How do you see this integration of a character? So entertainment with education.
See, there are two things that you have discussed. One
Mm.
is assessment,
Mm.
and then is edutainment. So let me go the assessment route first.
Mm.
So one of the biggest pain points that we talked about was that we are defined. You and I are defined, and all of us in our generation and subsequent and before were defined by our mark sheets, by our scorecards.
Yeah,
And the scorecards were reflecting our ability to remember mentally,
right,
rote, how much you could remember,
right,
and your ability to memorize.
right. Absolutely.
Now, the concepts that were memorized,
Yeah,
the definitions were memorized,
right,
the interpretation of the definitions were memorized, the
right,
different types of whatever concepts were memorized, and
right,
how they are implemented in some hypothetical place were memorized.
right.
And then you were made to, reproduce those words and verbiage and whatever else
Yeah.
to prove that your memory was good. And your marks were given on that basis. And in a very
Right. Yeah.
simplified way.
Right.
Now, my and our take was that memory is not the only way to identify the ability of an individual.
Yes.
The ability of the individual is based on the ability to solve problems,
Yeah.
to have skills
Yeah.
that enable that person to be successful in a given environment.
Right.
Concepts are very good, but in the post
Sorry.
Google era, concepts are all available on, your thumb and your index finger.
Right.
So on your phone, it is available. On your, smartphone, it is available.
Yeah.
So our focus has to, by default, shift beyond concepts. If we define concepts, if we memorize concepts, if we memorize the definitions and the characteristics and everything, then that is very good, but inadequate. It may be 10 to 20% of what we need to know.
Right.
What we need to know is not the what's. What we need to know is how's, why's, why not, when to use.
Yeah, these are very important, critical.
So now, as soon as we have these abilities, we are creating people, citizens for the next generation, for the future.
Right.
Because you and I and our generation, we had situational solutioning where we thought it was important. But we would fall back on simple recall every time we would go. But it's easier. It's easier.
Yeah.
But to think of assignments that will cater to concepts a bit, but the interpretation of the concept in a real life situation.
Right.
The interpretation of the concepts in a skill base, for a skill base, to develop a skill.
Yeah.
Was very important.
Yes. So one more thing, we'll go segment wise. So now we are talking about the spade work, the design and other principles that we conceptualize the entire model and other stuff. Then we'll slightly move into the business proposition.
Correct.
And then the social solutions, MWL as social solutions. This is how we'll conclude. We'll take it that way.